Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to PE with Mr. McInnes here at Talent Elementary School. Raise your hands in the air if you remember my name from last week. You have such a good memory. Some of you will remember that our lesson last week where I showed you how to put on my special shoes for running and jumping and how I tie them so that they fit snug on my feet and help keep me safe when I play or do exercises. Let's do that again so that we can practice tying our shoes. Practicing new things is how we learn how to do them better and better. It's okay if there's things that we don't know how to do because so many of those things we can learn how to do them. And it's fun to learn new things. It can also make you feel really proud of yourself when you've tried really hard and finally you can do what you've been trying to do. That is a super good feeling. And it can make you smile, and maybe you'll want to show somebody what you've learned. Let's put our shoes in our feet in our shoes, not our shoes in our feet. There we go. And first, let's get the laces pulled up. Let's get the laces pulled up so that our shoes hug our feet. Next, I'm going to cross the laces to make the letter X. Now, we're going to make one lace go all the way around the other one and pull them both tight, like that. Next, I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to make a loop and hold it with my fingers in one hand. With the other hand, I'm going to grab the other string and go all the way around it and then poke that string underneath the itself. And then I can take this loop and pull them and make it tight, just like that. Let's try the other one. We're going to snug them up tight. Right, so I've got both of the laces and they're pulled up tight, snug on my feet. I'm going to make that X, and I'm going to go all the way around that string and then pull them down tight. I make a loop, go all the way around that loop and poke it through underneath itself and grab that piece and this piece and pull. But I want to make sure I be careful that I don't pull it all the way through. I don't want to pull this all the way through. And I just pull it tight like that. Wow! I hope you try this with your shoes if you have laces. Today's game that we're going to play is called Frog, Bear, Gorilla, Starfish, Cheetah, Crab. Frog, Bear, Gorilla, Starfish, Cheetah, Crab. And you will need a little bit of room to move around. And my friend Zoe is going to teach you how to play. Are you ready?
Daddy, what are you doing?
I want to go outside and play, but it's cold and rainy.
I got an idea. Follow me. First, we gotta change clothes.
So if you get stuck inside on a cold, rainy weekend like we are, Zoe here has found a fun indoor kids HIIT workout for us to do based upon animals.
And Mommy helped me out with it.
A big shout out to our friend Carrie McNair for sharing this on Facebook. You can find the original post and information on a website called he'sextraordinary.com.
This is the first exercise. You jump like a frog.
Frog jump!
The next exercise is the bear walk.
So why are your legs so far apart?
The next one is the gorilla shuffle. Hair my way.
Gorilla shuffle.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, cheetah run. Ah!
Ah!
This next one is the crab walk. You put your hands and feet on this, and you lift like this, and then you crab walk this way. And you can also do it backwards. Fast, not fun. The one is the elephant, and you can stop as hard as you can. 3, 2, 1. Elephant stop. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Bye. See you in our next episode. Shake back, feel and why. I'm doing. Why. I want to sit on the couch and watch some television. Oh. Yeah, I can do this all day. That's good. Not all day.
Thank you, Zoe, for that fun animal workout. And thank you for joining us today. Thank you for having PE with Mr. McInnes, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.